Sky blue, a colorful dive into English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to embark on a colorful journey to understand the phrase, sky blue. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in your conversations. Sky blue refers to a shade of blue that resembles the color of the daytime sky on a clear day. It's a light, calming shade that you can often see overhead when there are no clouds. The term beautifully merges two familiar words, sky and blue, to depict a very specific color. The term sky blue has been used in the English language for centuries. The beauty of the term lies in its simplicity and descriptiveness. When someone hears sky blue, even without prior knowledge, they can easily conjure up an image of the vast, serene sky. The phrase's origin is rooted in the observable world, making it intuitive and relatable. Using sky blue in sentences is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples. 1. She wore a sky blue dress to the party. 2. The walls of the room were painted in a soothing sky blue. 3. His eyes were as clear as the sky blue waters of the Caribbean. In each of these examples, the term sky blue paints a vivid picture, helping listeners or readers visualize the exact shade being described. While sky blue is primarily a color descriptor, it can sometimes be used in a figurative manner. For instance, a sky blue mood might mean a light, uplifted, or optimistic mood. It's important, however, to gauge the context to determine whether the term is being used literally or figuratively. And there we have it. The next time you look up at the clear day's sky, you'll have the perfect term to describe its color. Sky blue. It's a term as vast and beautiful as the sky itself. We hope you found this dive into sky blue enlightening. Keep exploring the colors of the English language, and we'll catch you in the next video.